Good morning students. Sairam. Welcome back to the computer session. In the last session we have completed lesson number 7, that is QBasic statement. In that we have learned what is QBasic and some statement like CLS, REM, print, right? We have learned in the print statement we have learned print with comma, print with semicolon, print with tab, and how to leave a blank lines in programs. And we have learned the let statement and input statement also, right? Let us start a new lesson. So that is lesson number 8, control statement. Okay, chapter number 8, control statement. In that we are going to learn a go-to statement. Before that, let us learn what is control statement. So while executing program, all of you know how to execute the program, right? So while executing program, sometimes it becomes essential to change the order of execution of some statement, or you can say you have to repeat a particular set of statements. Okay, so while if that time you can give a condition, right? So these kinds of conditions, okay, require logical decisions. So the statement that helps to control the flow of a program are known as control statement. The statement that helps to control the flow of a program are known as control statement. So you can see the what are the control statement in QBasic. If the go to statement, if then, and if then else, these are all control statement. Okay. So in QBasic program, go to statement is used to transfer the program control from one statement to another statement. Okay, one statement to, you can transfer with the help of go to statement, you can transfer the program control from one statement to another. Or you can say the go to statement is a jump statement. With the help of jump statement, it is unconditional jump statement. Or you can say there are two types of statements. Go to statements, there are two types of go to statement, the conditional statement and unconditional statement. Okay, so the go to statement can be used to jump from anywhere to anywhere within a function. Now let us see the syntax. What do you mean by syntax? The correct way to writing a program, right? The syntax is, the first of all we will start with a line number, then go to and the label, or you can say line number. Okay, go to and line number and label here. First of all, line number, always all of you know the QBasic will start with line number, then we will write the go to statement and again label or go to. Now let us see the small program. Okay, so this is simple program. All of you know how to print on names. Here we have printed two names, that is you can see $A and $B. $A is I have assigned as a name as a Manas, and the $B Yash, right? And we are going to print $A, $B. That means it will print only once. Can you see the output here? So it will print a name only once. Okay, but with the help of go to statement, you can print the names infinite times. Okay, you can give a go to unconditional statement and you can print a names infinite times, and you can give a condition and you can print a particular names in a 5 times, 6 times. So that is conditional. Now let us learn first how to use a go to statement, okay, in unconditional statement. So let us start a QBasic, okay, QBasic, and we will learn a go to statement. Yes children, we have started a QBasic. So what is control statement? So the statement that help to control to flow of a program are known as control statement. So here can you see this program? This is a simple program. So you can print only once, right? That is the names, the two names. So now we will learn with the help of go to statement. So these names you can print infinite times. But how? What is the syntax for go to statement? The first we will put a label in the print. Okay, the line number and go to, and here first we have to put the label. Okay, so label means that will number or character anything, but you have to, after the number or character you have to put the colon. So I have here, can you see 10 colon, that is my label. Then go to, we have to specify the label number, so that is 10, right? So now you can see here, right, you can see. So while executing the programs, the control will shift back to line number, right, 6, right. The each time it executes line number 6, right, the program will never stop. So it is called infinite loop. So can you see line number 5, that is a label 10, it will print once, then the cursor, the jump, it will jump to the line number 6, that is go to 10. Again the cursor will go back to the line number 5. Okay, now let us see with the help of start. We will execute the program and we will see. Okay, when you execute the program, you will see the infinite time. So can you see the two names will print? Can you see here? So it will not stop at all, right? So it will keep on display Yash and Manas in infinite times. Now how to stop it? So you cannot stop, right? So how to stop it? So because here this is unconditional statement, right? Because it is keep on, yes, unconditional, here go to statement, but we have used what, no condition at all. So this is known as a unconditional go to statement, right? So with the help of unconditional go to statement, you can print your name, or you can infinite times, you can print a infinite times. Here in the go to statements, there are two types of go to statements, unconditional and conditional. So now we have learned unconditional go to statement, right? What is the syntax? The line number, go to, and label. Okay, now we will learn a conditional go to statement. So why we are using the conditional statement? Now the same program, we want to print a particular specified number. So suppose I want to print this number 10 times. I don't want to go to the infinite loop. I want to print a name 10 times. Okay, now let us learn how to write the program. Okay, now see this program, the simple program, here there is no go to statement, it will print only once. But now here we will give a condition. Okay, for that, before that, okay, we have to initializing the counter. Okay, the first is the initialization part. Yes children, you have already noticed the here. So unconditional, when you are see, when you use unconditional go to statement, our programs get stuck into the infinite loop. How to come out of this? So you have to press control and pause break. You have to press control plus pause or break key with the help of keyboard. Okay, now we will learn what, with the help of condition statement. We will put the condition and we will print here 10 times, only 10 times. The first we have to take a initializing counter. So initializing, so variable we have to initialize first. So we will take let a as a variable and is equal to 1, because that is the initialization part. We have to start with 1 because it will keep on adding and it will print 10 times. So line number 3 we will add as a initialization. So let a is equal to 1. Okay, so it will what, it will first, it will print a first, right, 1 once. Then we have to increment the counter, because it will first once we will print, then it will go on second time, so third, like this we have to print a 10 times. So what is the incrementing counter here? So again we will take increment counter is a, that is a variable a is equal to a plus 1. So a's value is 1, it go on adding plus 1, right? So how many times it reaches a condition. So now second part is what, the first one is initializing the counter and the second part is increment. So now I have incremented a is equal to a plus 1. That is my increment the counter, incrementing part. Then we will put the condition. So this, with the help of go to statement, we will put the condition if, okay, if a, okay, less than 10. Okay, here we are taking a is less than 10. That means it will print here 9 times. Okay, because we have not taken less than or is equal to sign. So if a is less than 10, then go to, where we have to go to, we will put the label where it is a print statement, right? If it is the condition is less than 10, then go to, we will start as 20. We will put the label as 20. We have not set the label here. Okay, where we have to say the printing part, right? Put, where is the print here? Line number 6. Okay, label as 20. If the condition, it will check if a is less than 10, then it will go to line number 20. Okay, that means depends upon the condition. If the condition is true, then it will go to the label 20. Otherwise, if the condition is false, then we will end our program. Yes, children, that means how it will work. The condition will be checked. Now a is equal to a plus 1, right? The condition is true, so it will print first one time. Then again it will go to again go to here. If a is less than 10, go to 20. Again it will go to the label number 10. Again it will print the second time. Then a is equal to 2 plus 1. So 3 times. Again it will come the 4 plus 1. So like this it will print how many times? So suppose now 9 times it will print. So 9, the a's value is 9. Then 9 plus 1 is equal to, right, 10. So then the condition is now the false. We will come out from the loop. Okay. So if you want a specific times, okay, for specific times, okay, we will use a conditional go to statement, right? Okay, with the help of go to statement, we can repeat the set of statements, right? Or we can transfer the loops from one line to another. Yes, children, can you see? Now we will execute the program and we will see the result. Yes, children, now we have, you have understood conditional and unconditional. Infinite times, you want to print a infinite times, then there we are not giving any condition, so that is unconditional statement. Okay, so the go to, you can use conditional as well as unconditional. Now here I want to print a name 9 times, right? Now C will start, execute the run and okay. Now can you see here, can you count the names? It will print 9 times because the condition is a is less than 10. Okay, if the condition is yes, it is true, then it will print. So our condition is a is less than 10. That means it will print 9 times. But you want to print 10 times, then you can put a is less than or is equal to sign. Okay, that means the here it will print, here the condition, our operate here, you can see the condition is a is less than or is equal to sign. So it will print 10 times. Yes, children. So this way you can put initializing the counter, that is a. You can take any variables, you can print. Now you can see the 10 times, you can count it. So 10 times you can print it. So the same way you can, yes, you can increase the number here. So how many times you want to print. Okay. So now understood, children? So a is equal to 1, that is initializing the counter, then incrementing the counter, then check the maximum limit. Here the maximum limit is, now you can see 11 I have given, right? It will print 10 times or 11 times, right? Okay. So understood, children? So if you see, if you want a infinite loop, just you will use no condition at all. So you can use the unconditional statement, go to statement, and you want to print a specific times, then you will use a conditional statement. Yes, children. So children, so what you have noticed, so when you use a unconditional go to statement, our programs get stuck into the infinite loops. Okay, and when you put a condition, you can print a specific times, right children? Okay children, so we will stop this session. Sai Ram.